Hi and welcome to this 11-ounce mug mock-up. This is an animated mock-up where the handle can be coloured any colour you choose. When you download the file, you'll get a zip, and this is the zip, and inside will be a PSD and 1, 2, 3, 4 video files. Make sure you extract everything. Don't be tempted to open from the zip, the PSD from the zip, because it won't work. It needs to be extracted to a folder and have access to these 4 videos. Okay, so if you don't see when you open the PSD this timeline down here, you'll find it under Window, so just toggle that on because you're going to need that. The first thing you'll want to do is probably get your design on there. So to do that, if you see this layer, it's called Step 1. If you double click the smart object, which is this, and then you'll see Step 2, double click the smart object to add design. So you don't do anything in this section, you just double click that smart object, and here's your design. To get your design on, just go to File, Place Embedded, then navigate to wherever you keep your designs and place it on there. Once it's on there, you'll see 2 layers, mine and yours, so you're going to delete mine or unview it with the toggling off the eye icon. It's assuming everything's right and it's in position and you're happy, close this. The important thing to say here is make sure you say yes to save the changes. And then you can close this stage. This is nothing to do here other than get to the design. So close that. Again, be sure to say yes. And then you can use this scrubber here to have a quick preview to make sure everything looks sensible. When you're ready, click the burger icon and click render video. You can probably go over all the defaults, but there's some things you can change if you want. All you really need to do is give it a name and then select where you want it to be saved to, and then click render. And then depending on how fast your machine is, it will take a minute or so to render it out. Other things to mention are you can change the handle colour and the rim colour. So let's get those visible. And it's this pink layer here. If you double click colour overlay, you can change the colour to something else. Also the shadow you can toggle on and off or change its intensity with the opacity. If you want to change the background, just double click background and then File, Place Embed, and then drop in your own background. I don't think there's anything else to mention. If you do have any problems, get in touch and I'll try and help you out.